Okay, we're back in DC.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
We're going to the Air and Space Museum.
And we stopped right here because look at that cool view.
It's so pretty.
We just did the most important part of the museum, right?
Yes.
The bathrooms.
Yeah, so this is the sleeve, and then this is your glove.
This tells size easy more names around.
Is that a perfect fit or a little too big? Yeah. So fortunately, if you were to become an astronaut, you'd have your own custom fit glove.
Nice.
Facing freezing temperatures and lower oxygen levels, his balloons pop. He popped his balloon with a BB gun to establish a controlled ballistic. The Federal Aviation Administration charged him with violating controlled airspace, flying without a balloon license, and operating a non-airworthy craft.
Oh?
Look at this.
What is it?
I don't know. Is it a car that has wings? You know, spray chemicals.
This will be replaced by drones. I think it's currently being done by drones.
Yeah, this is already replaced by drones.
Right. Oh.
That is huge.
Austin, that sign says, where do you want to go today? Where do you want to go?
China.
Where?
China.
China? Okay. Maybe not today, but soon. You should probably get a better one.
Wait.
I fell off of the airplane.
That still kind of looks like Air Asia, just a little different.
Here we go.
Escalators.
It's the planetarium. Child, you are something.
Hi, peoples.
You just want to be famous, don't you?
I already am.
Oh, God.
You're recording me and you're putting it
What?
on YouTube.
it. It feels weird. Moon rock.
This one is like spiky. This one is like.
Feel how heavy this is.
Is that iron? Yeah.
It came from space. It's iron in space.
Primarily iron.
It's so heavy. This one's made out of iron. So they all fell from the sky.
That is so crazy. Okay, listen.
Thank you.
Be careful with that last one, okay? Is that heavy?
Yeah.
That's iron. It is iron, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Look at all the planets.
It's a lot of planets, huh? Do you want a TV like this, Reagan?
Your anus, the tidal giant. Tilted.
Titled.
Oh. It's your anus. It's kind of tilted. Its rings go this way.
No, it's not.
Tiny. Regular.
Track pilots shift their weight beneath the wing by pushing and pulling a control ball bolted directly to the wing. Hold both arms out in front of you at a comfortable distance and protect the aircraft. Now you try. Slide the bar to the left and watch how the track responds.